he has such just ridiculous techniques. I mean, just like his background is ridiculous, but it was more like his approach, which was such a huge thing. How he tracks people is something I use still to this day, just very quick, never delete tracks unless they're like really bad or just mumbles or whatever. Like the tracking really fast, the saving ones that they may not like, but you want to hold on as a reference, or maybe take something out of it that sounded really cool and plug it in. So a lot of that was just like the speed and how you get so many things done so quickly. Like, you only got people in here for a couple hours. They want it recorded, mixed, and mastered, at least to some degree by the end of that session. And they want to do 3 songs, So it was just, how are we going to do this? How do you get about this? And so it was like the approach is, we get you in here, we track, I save as many as possible, we plug it in, we cut, we edit, we put it all together. You like it? Okay, cool. Let's mix it real quick and get you something at least out the door with, whether it's like, take a listen to it, let me know what you think, make some tweaks in the next one, have something for the client to walk out with and go bump it in their car on the way home. And then, okay, cool. How he tracks people is something I use still to this day. So some of the first sessions, when I'm talking like the first couple weeks I even started the thing, they were so fast in what they were doing, and like being like very new to Pro Tools, it was incredibly overwhelming to say the least. They were doing and using techniques and applying methods to, how do I describe? I didn't even know what questions to ask because I had no idea what was happening. Like, it was insane. Like, I've heard terms like EQ and compressor and reverb and delay and echo and all that stuff, but I had absolutely no way of knowing what they were doing. Like, I couldn't hear it. Like the little tweaks they were doing, I had nothing like that. And so that was where it kind of became more on me than them to like, I need to get some understanding, This is a crash course. This is a 6-month thing. I'm not going to learn enough in 6 months unless I apply myself as well, And so once that started happening, the techniques they were doing is when I would see them, it was like, okay, I know what he's doing. Now I'm just going to ask him why he did that. Why specifically did you make that cut here? And then that's when like the education really started happening.